When you share your Infogram content, people may look at it on various devices. Whether it's a smartphone or a laptop, you can now make your projects fit all screens. Let's say you're working on some slides and want to make them more accessible for users of mobile devices. Click Layout at the bottom left corner of the editor and select Add Mobile Layout. You'll now see the mobile layout where you can restructure your content. If you want to resize the canvas, just drag one of its sides to the right or left, or drag the bottom part up or down. You can also resize the objects on the canvas and freely move them around. The desktop layout will remain unchanged. To have a preview of your content before sharing it, click Share and switch between both layouts over here. If you want to remove the mobile layout, go to the Layout settings and click Remove Mobile Layout. That's it! Head over to Infogram.com and make your projects more accessible to everyone.